is the Wheel of Luck, where everyone is a winner. Now, my name is Mike Messikeno, and I am honored and privileged to be your host today. On the show, we have an audience and contestants who are here, and they are going to win a lot when it comes to cash prizes and also other prizes. So, let's get the ball rolling. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're all far too kind. Wow. Now I'm very happy, and I will make sure everyone here is going to leave here with something, because everyone is a winner. Right now, this is Wheel of Luck. When I say Wheel of Luck, I want to hear everyone is a winner. Can we do that? Yes. Can we do that? Yes. Let's go. Wheel of Luck. So anytime I say that across the show, I just need you to respond that everyone is a winner. Are we good? Yes. All right, it's going to be a wonderful show today. People are going to win a lot. But just before I start, now let me let you know that I am serious. I have some cash prizes I'm going to give out just at the moment. Let's see, where do we start? Who's wearing a blue top here? If you're wearing a blue top, let me see your hand. Blue. If your top is blue, let me see your hand. Let me see higher. Let me see higher. Okay, you there, I want you. Stand up. Stand up. Now, just before, please put your hands together for him. All right. Now, thank you. Now, there's a beautiful lady there who's sashaying to him. Look at her. Her name is Onye. Please put your hands together for Onye. You look lovely, by the way. Onye, that your dress, it's entering my eye. I can't see well. It's entering my eye. All right. So, do you play football? Do you love football? Talk. Yeah, give him the mic. Let's talk to him. Do you love football? Do you play football? Do you do anything about football?
I love football. I know something about football.
Okay. Which club do you support?
Man United.
Manchester United. Put your hands together for him. Right now, I will give you 5,000 naira. All I need you to do is just tell me who's the captain of Manchester United.
Maguire.
What?
Maguire.
Nah, that's wrong. It's Harry Maguire.
Maguire.
You missed it. Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. Let's give someone else another chance. Who raised the hand there? Another person in blue. Yeah, give it to him. 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 Ah, that was a very easy question now. This one's going to be easy. So tell me, what do you love? Football, movies, music, sports? What do you love? Tell me, what do you love?
Football, movie.
What's your name, please?
Matthew.
Matthew.
Yes, please.
Wow, Matthew. Okay, now I just want to ask this question. Matthew was a disciple of Jesus. Now tell me, what was his profession?
That's correct, sir.
Thank you. Put your hands together for him. Thank you. Now I need that. Now, can you pass that to right here? You will win, and you will check that it is what you have in there. Thank you so much. Please put your hands together for Madam Ronti. Okay, and my floor manager, Ernest, please, you get this across to him now. I want him to see it now. I want him to get it right now. Just for that answer, for answering who Matthew is and knowing where his name came from, he has won 5,000 naira. And that's how the show is going to be. That's how it is. Put your hands together. That's it. All right. Okay, so we're getting straight to it now. We're going to start the show, and we have about 5 rounds of games. Now, remember, the total I mean, the star prize is 2 million naira. Somebody will leave here with 2 million naira. I said 2 million naira. Look at, okay, you are too shocked. You are too shocked. Okay, please, Oye, I want you to come down. I want Oye to come down to help me. We're going to pick the numbers now. And we're going to pick them in groups of 10. And when we get here, we're going to pick in groups. Confirm. That's Matthew there. Confirm. Nice one. Now, the same thing will happen with those prizes there. There's a fridge there, there's a TV there, there's a gen set there, there is a smartphone there, and there's a smartwatch. 5 of them. They're going that way. All right, so. You look lovely, by the way. Come on, let me help you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. All right, so let's spin this. We are going to pick. Do you all have your tags with the numbers on them? Let me see them. Take it up. Let me see it. All right, you're a wonderful audience. Put your hands together for yourselves. Okay, so we're going to pick 10. And I want 10 of you. You listen to my floor manager, Ernest. He will get you down here orderly. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you are, okay, this one's going to be part of it. Yes, wait, just hold on. This one, okay, so that, yes. So, all right, so I need you to just speak. And once you hear your number, please run out to the aisle here. 038. 038. Put your hands together for them as they come out. 023. 023. 023. Just come out. 027. 027. All right. 030. How many do you have here now? That's 4. 015. 060. How many now? 031. How many do we have now? Okay, that's 7. 010. That's 8. Very fast, please. That's 8. 005. That's 9. And the final one, very fast. 043. Put your hands together for them. All right, that's it. Put your hands together for them. Now, one of these people here is going to go with 2 million. Now, we're going to get different sets. Are we up to 10? Okay, please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. This is going to be very quick and fast. Now, I will have 10 boxes here. I have beautiful ladies who will help me with this one. I would have 10 boxes here. Okay, come, you can face me now. I'll have 10 boxes here. The boxes will come here. Now, when they come, you will just move and pick 2 out of those 10 boxes have something in there that will take you to the next stage. So only 2 people amongst here will go to the next stage. Are we good? Do you understand that? Okay, please, I would like to see my ladies now. Please, I would like to see. Okay, but just before they come on, can you climb up? I want you to come behind me. Right? Come on. Very fast. Just come behind me. Okay, exactly, just go that way. Yeah, just come around, just come behind me. Okay, and then of course, put your hands together for these beautiful stage hands here who are here to help me. Come on. Come out here. Man, you don't get to see so many fine girls like this all at once. Come on. All right. Now you're going to make this very fast. I know you're seeing them from here, but you saw them where they came in. The one that you like, just go and pick one box. Don't rush. Just go pick one box and come back to yourself to where you're standing. Go now. Just go from beside. Pick one box. From any. Go. Move. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together. No. Just pick one and go back. Just pick one, go back. Very fast. Let's make this swift. Thank you, ladies. Okay, so in there, you have these 10 boxes. Very fast. I want you to open it and let me see if any of you has something inside. If you have something inside, raise it up and let me see. Open it. Okay, put your hands together for her and for him. Thank you so much. Now, both of you, I want both of you to sit down there. The rest of you, thank you. You're still playing, but just go back to your seats. Thank you very much. Put them down. Thank you. Thank you. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. All right. My wonderful audience, you get to win something very, very soon. Now, what do you think? Which of these prizes should we give first? The fridge, the gen, the TV, the smartphone, or the smartwatch? Which one? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Let me hear now. Which one? Okay, all right. So, Onye, please come here, help me. All right, while we get those boxes in. Okay, so let's go for the next set. We're done with this one. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's spin. Let's go for the next set. All right. There's some hanging here. Some people might think, okay, please, we might need the key for this, where someone took my key. Who took my key, please? We might need the key for this. All right, that's my wonderful stage manager with the key there. You know, we're ensuring that there is fair play here. Please put your hands together for Ernest. Fresh guy. Okay, all right. We have to lock it so that some people will not come and put in some slips inside here. Okay, all right. Now that's it. Let me keep this here. Okay, so let's go. All right, let's pick up next 10 very, very fast. I'll just call them once and then you come down. Let's go. 006. 020. 009. 001. 190. 052. 033. 022. That's 8. 063. That's 9. And the final one, very fast, 056. All right, come on here. Let's go. The same way what we did. Thank you so very much. Okay, we'll just do this now, even if you lock it, the key is here. Okay, so, all right, so very fast, come behind, very fast. Let's see you. Put your hands together for them. Very fast. The same thing that we did. You'd seen it there. Okay, very fast. Let's make this snappy. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's make it happen. So we said we're giving the fridge first, right? We're giving the fridge. I want to give that one to a lady. I'll give that to a lady. Probably a mommy, someone who has kids, right? How many women here have kids? Let me see your hand. I want to give this to a lady with kids, right? Okay, just after this, I will give that fridge right now. Okay, so my beautiful ladies, come on here, very fast. Come on here, let's make it happen. Put your hands together for them. So we're doing exactly the same thing we did the first time. Just go, anyone that you like, just pick from them, and we're going to have this and make it happen. Okay, so just go and pick it. Now you can move. Go, pick it. Let's go. Very fast. Go. All right. Why did you pick this one? There might be something here. All right. Are we good? Okay, that means we're not up to 10 that came out. How many are we? Just 8. Okay, so let's see. Open what you have there. Let's see, very fast. One person. Okay, thank you. Have you opened yours? Okay, so the rest of you can go back. So you come here. You just go and sit down. Ladies, you can go back. Thank you very much. Just drop this. Okay, so you, who's this? Okay, you. So just take this and go sit down there. All right, so now, just before I do that, I am going to give out that refrigerator right now. If you are a woman here with kids, let me see your hand. Put your hand up. Take it up. You want to? Take it up. Eeny, meeny, miny, more. Okay, come. All right, stand up. You just stand there. Just stay there. Stand there. Okay, Onye, please. Can we get her the mic there? I want to ask you a very simple question. If you give me the correct answer to this question, you will take home this fridge. If you can carry it, you can carry it there right now. Right? Are you ready? Okay. Okay. Now, mention, you have 10 seconds. I'll count by my time here. You have 10 seconds. Mention 3 things in a kitchen that start with S. Are you ready? 3 things in a kitchen that starts with S. Go.
Have stove, salt, and sitting stool.
That's it. You won the fridge. The fridge is ours. Put your hands together for her. Can you carry it? That's it. That's it. That's it. So you have to find it. What's your plan? How do you want to move? Can you move it now? What do you want to do? Where you are going out? Okay. So please, my floor manager Ernest, take down her name, and the fridge is gone. Which you maybe take it down so you don't. Some ice should not be entering the fridge. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Okay. Please, come here, come and help me. Let's get this done. Let's get this done very, very fast. We missed one person, but this time we're going to take the pace up. So the next set of 10 we're going to call, we're going to ensure that we have 3. We're going to ensure that we have 3 3 papers that can make someone move on to the next stage. So I need that. Ladies there, please, I'll need that. Okay, so let's spin and let's start. We need 3 for the next stage. Okay? All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take this out. Let's do this very, very fast. Okay. All right. Let's go. 007. Ah, James Bond. Who's James Bond here? I need to see James Bond. 007. Ah. Okay. All right. And 037. Very fast. I need you to move. 024. Very fast. 008. Please show them. Ernest, thank you. Please show them. 032. Very fast, please. 003. Okay. 048. 050. 066. Very fast. Come on, come on. Ah, you know the drill. Just go there. Okay, I think this is final one. 034. All right, very, very fast, very fast. Are we up to 10 there? I think this is the final one. Okay. All right, so are we up to 10 there? Please, very fast. Hurry, 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 hurry. Please, my beautiful ladies, I need you to come out now and let's get those boxes to them. I need you to come out now. Just move to the back. Just here, just here, just here. Just, yeah, just there. Thank you, thank you. All right, ladies, please come up, very fast, very fast, very fast. Do we have 3? Do we have 3 papers in here? So 3 people here are going to move on to the next level. All right, very fast, very fast, very fast. Now you know how we do it. They're already here, beautiful ladies. So just go and pick one of them. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Fast, fast, let's make it. I see the way this guy is just carrying this thing. Oh, cool. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, ladies. Put your hands together. Very fast. Open them. Open them. Open them. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hey, 007. Put your hands together for 007. All right. Thank you. 3 of you. Move down this way. The rest, thank you very much. Please go upset. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're far too kind. Thank you. Should we give away something now? You want us to give away something? What should we give out? What? Smartphone. Do you want a smartphone? Let me hear you. I want to give this smartphone to a student. Who's a student here? Put your hand up if you're a student here. Let me see you. You show your ID card. Don't go and show me 1980 ID card. If you show me 1980 ID card, you will give me a phone. I will collect your phone. All right, who's a student here? Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. People are plenty. How do I pick you now? How do I pick you now? I want to give it to a guy. Your hand is still up. Stand up, stand up. You there. Your hand, the one that your hand is still up. Yes, yes, stand up. Put your hands together for that young man. Put your, okay, please, I need that mic to him. Onyinye, thank you so much. Please put your hands together for Onyinye. She has been moving around so much. She's a lovely, lovely co-host. Thank you so much, Onyinye. You call that what a beaut. She's beautiful. All right. What school? What school do you attend? What school?
Unilag.
Huh?
Unilag.
Unilag.
Yes, sir.
Wow. What level are you in?
Sunday level.
200 level. What course are you studying?
Medicine.
What?
Medicine.
Medicine.
Yes, sir.
Medicine. Wow. 200 level. What area do you want to specialize in when you're done?
Gynecologist.
Gynecologist.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's wonderful. All right. Tell me what you love. Movies, sports, music. Tell me.
Movies.
You love movies, eh?
Yeah.
Movies. Okay. Just give me the name of the actor who plays Doctor Strange.
This is strange.
You have 5 seconds left. Give me the name of the actor who plays Doctor Strange.
I don't know.
Sorry about that. Let's give it to the next student. Thank you so much. The actor's name is Benedict Cumberbatch. Okay, let's give it to that guy in front of him. Okay, so tell me, what school do you attend?
University
What?
of Benin. University of Benin.
University of Benin. What course are you studying?
Banking and finance.
Marketing?
Banking and finance.
Banking and finance. Wonderful. I love that. Banking and finance. I love money. That's good. Maybe we should give you money instead of a smartphone. Do you want money? Do you want money? I want to ask you a football question. Which is your club?
Manchester United.
Manchester United. Are you serious? All right. Wonderful. Let's see. Let's make this happen now. How old is Cristiano Ronaldo?
37.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So, yeah, here's one. Here's one. Here's one. So, here's one the smartphone. Put your hands together for him. All right. Okay, so let's get to pick our final set. We're almost done with 10. Time is going very fast. Let's make this happen. And my beauty, please put your hands together for that young lady. She has been moving so much. And you guys are a wonderful crowd. Una de ginger me. Let's go there. All right, let's go. Let's get the next set. Let's get the next set. Very, very fast. Okay, very fast. Let's go. 055. Very fast. 018. 068. Very fast. Just come and go behind. 021. Very fast. 012. 039. Very fast. 014. 067. And 064. Is that up to 10? Okay, now this is what's going to happen. This is going to be our final round because of time. We have to move. I will call 2 more numbers and we'll have all the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the remaining 4 will be inside. Right? That's what we're going to do because we're lost for time. So I'll call 2 more numbers.
Okay.
I'll call 2 more numbers. Please, ladies, I want the remaining 4 slips inside the boxes. Okay, just go. Yeah, go behind very fast. Make it happen. Come on, very fast. All right, 049. 049. Put your hands together. 049. And 019. Okay. All right, this is it. Very fast. Thank you so much, Oyin. Wonderful. Okay, so, all right. Are we good? Okay, just climb up just one step. Ladies, please, I need the remaining 4 slips inside this tent. Can you please come out? Thank you very much. Wow. Okay. Okay, so we have the 4 slips inside here, right? Ladies, do we have all 4 inside? Okay, so let's go. Pick them. Very fast. Make it happen. We have 4 slips here. 4 people to join. Is enough for Oakball? Is enough for me, for you people there? Pick it. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Put your hands together for these ladies now. They've been catwalking here since, and I love this audience. You are the best audience ever. Best. Okay, open it very fast. Let's go. Open it. Hey! Okay, thank you. That's it. Put your hands together. All right, join them. Yep, we're done with the first round of games. Thank you so much. We're done with the first round of games. We're about to take a very, very short break. Now, we have 10 people here. Now, the 10 of you are going to play for 2 million naira. I said you are playing for 2 million naira. You people are sitting down. That's 007. I know you. I like you. So you want to win 2 million? Me, I didn't want up to 2 million naira. You want to win 2 million and you're sitting down. You're forming big. I will just change you now. I will change. I said you were here. You're going to play for 2 million naira. You should shout more than the audience. All right, we'll take this very short break. And when we get back, we have 10 of them playing for 2 million naira on the Wheel of Luck, where everyone. All right, we're on a break now, so let's have fun. Are you guys having fun? Are you having fun? Are you sure you're having fun? They should come and take this free. If not, I'll give it to another person. What's the plan? Okay, maybe we should bring it down. Ernest, let's bring it down because it's still entering my eye. We have a smartwatch here. We have a portable generator, portable Zazu. And then, of course, we have this smart screen, 55 inches. 55 inches. 55 inches. Okay? All right, yes, please, let's take this out. Thank you, and we can leave our... Wheel of Luck, where everyone put your hands together for yourselves. Wow. Hey. Hey. Millionaire. There's one millionaire here. All right, very simple. Now, the next stage we are going to do is to spin the wheel, and this is very simple, right? 10 of you are going to go home with something here, but this is what happens. You are going to spin the wheel, and the top 6 will move to the next round. The top 6 with the highest prize money will move to the next round. And the remaining 4 will take whatever they got, their cash, and go back. Do you understand the rule? Do you understand? So you see, even when you're going back with something. Okay, are we ready? Okay, so I will need you to come up, 5 of you. Let's, 5 of you. Come up, come this way, come this way. Come this way. I want you to come this way. Come on, just stand this way. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for yourself. Just there, you okay? Just in a line. All right. And beautiful Oyin is just there, looking pretty with that wheel. Wow, that's wonderful. All right, so I'll need you one after the other. You move over here and spin the wheel, and let's see what you get. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Put your hands together for her. This is it. Okay, you know how we say it. Wheel of Luck. Wheel of Luck. Wheel of Luck. That's what's up. All right, spin. Let's go. Just spin. All right. Okay. Now I want you to move this way. Just come behind here. All right, just come behind here. All right, just stay behind here. How much did she make? 20K. Put your hands together for her. All right, okay. So I'll need you to go back. Thank you. All right, the next person, just move there. Put your hands together for her. Hold on now. All right, are you ready? All right, now you can spin. The way she's spinning, it's like you want to get the 2 million on the wheel already. much is that? How much is that? How much is that now? You are seeing? What? 20,000 naira, right? Oh, nothing. All right, I need you to take another spin, a very short one. Spin it again. Spin it again. Spin it again. Spin it again. So that we can be very sure it gets on somewhere. Spin it again. Hey. 40,000 naira. Come on, get your seat here. Now, I need you to write, okay, please take note of how much. You are 20, you are 40. All right, move very fast, let's go. Put your hands together for him. Okay, so you are the highest, ma'am. Please, I want you to move here now. Hello? Hello, ma'am. Please, I want you to move here. So that's how we'll sit. 40, you follow, 20. Now, depends on the number that we go from highest down to the lowest. Okay, are we good? Come on, let's go. Spin the wheel. Okay, where are we going? Where did he end? Where did he end? Okay, very fast. Spin it again, very fast. Let's go. We'll find one if it gets in between. We'll go for the lower one if it gets in between. We are going for the lower one if it gets in between. You're not spinning again after this time. What's that? Okay, I can see the shadow. Now I will take this because the shadow from here is on 20. He goes with 20,000 naira. All right, go grab a seat. Thank you very much. All right, go very fast. Very fast, very fast, very fast. Let's go. Just spin, All right, let's go. Now, I will go by the shadow of the light if you don't get an exact point. Okay, the shadow of the light says 10,000 naira. Please come sit down this way. Thank you. Put your hands together. All right, very fast. All right, while they're doing that, I want 5 of you to come up very fast. Come up. So that's 40, 20, 20, 10. All right, very fast. Come up. And then you spin. All right, put your hands together for him and these ones. Put your hands together. And the way you are standing there. Very fast. If it doesn't get the point, I will go by the shadow of the light on that wheel. The wheel is on 10. The shadow is on 10. Let's go. That's 10,000 naira. All right? You are 10 and you are 10. So you're already in the order. 40, 20, 20, 10, 10. All right? Very fast. All right, move there. Number 6. Contestant number 6. You look like a coach. Very fast. Let's make it happen. Nah, it wasn't 10. Don't worry. It wasn't 10. Maybe you shout, you see we'll push. 7-5, right? Grab your seat. 7-5. They're already sitting in their order. 7-5. All right, move on. Come on. Let's go. Very fast. Let's go. We've got quite a short time. All right, let's go and roll. Let's go. It's on 10. The shadow of the light is on 10. All right? So you move that way. You are 7-5. Why are you moving? 10K. All right? 007. Put your hands together for 007. Do you know why I like 007? He gave me ginger. The same way some of you are giving me ginger. Yeah, that's life. 007, let's go. 007, don't use force like that and spin 250. Okay. All right. All right. Let's make this happen very, very fast. Now, don't worry, he moved. We saw it. It stopped at 50 and he moved. Hold on. He was jubilating. He stopped at 50 and he was jubilating and moved the wheel. Put your hands together for him. So take one chair and move there. You're going to sit down there. You're number 1. 007. Very fast. Make it happen. All right, let's go. Okay. Where does that? ₦40,000. Come on. In between there. All right. Final person. Very fast. Let's make this happen. Go. All right. Hold on, he's still moving. Put your hands together for him. Get a chair. So just move that way. All right. So put your hands together for them. Move that. Okay, you want to go home? Move there in between. You are 40. All right. Now this is what happens. The lowest 4 will go back with the amount that they were able to spin on the wheel of luck. Thank you so much. But the bottom 4, this is where the game ends for you. Thank you very much. You can go back to your seats. You can still win. But please, please take a note of them and the money they won. And, of course, you can head back to your seats. Yes, thank you. Put your hands together for them. All right, we'll take a very, very short break. Don't go anywhere. We're still here. It's the Wheel of Luck where? Thank you. All right. Thank you for staying with us on the show. This is the Wheel of Luck where? Now, thank you so much. Now we are going to the next round. It's quick fire questions. 6 of you, please, can you come up? Put your hands together for this. For number 2, number 5, number 10, number 9, number 1, and number 8. Yes, please. I just want you come behind me here. Now, due to time, Director, we're going to have 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Please, I would need my timer. 30 seconds. I would ask a series of questions. And in 30 seconds, I'm going to probably pick the top 2 from here who are going to give me the most answers in 30 seconds. Do you get that? Do you understand? Yes. If you don't understand, talk to me, ask me. Do you understand? Yes. You understand? 5, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8. Put your hands together for these wonderful people. Okay, so all right, 1 minute. You have 1 minute. You have 1 minute. Number 5, let's go up here. Put your hands together for them. Okay, just up there. Just move back. Yeah, just up there. That's good. All right, wonderful. Now, I will need my floor manager, please. I will need you to take a count of how many questions she answers correctly in 1 minute. Are we ready? Are we ready? All right. Timer, are you ready? Your time starts now. Who is the founder of Facebook? If you don't know, say pass. All right. Who is the current #1 goalkeeper of Nigeria? What is the full meaning of WAEC? Nope, you are wrong. Name the 3 primary colors. You are correct. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? You are correct. What is the currency of Nigeria? You are correct. Who is the deputy governor of Lagos State? Who is the author of Things Fall Apart? What year was Nigeria amalgamated? You are correct. Who stopped the killing of twins in Nigeria? Mary Slessor, you are correct. If a group of birds is called a flock, your time is up. Put your hands together for her. How many questions did she get? How many questions did she? Yes. How many questions did she answer, please? I need that from you now. How many questions did she answer correctly? It was 5 questions. She answered 5 questions correctly. Put your hands together for her. All right, come up. The next one. Okay, please, I might need the handheld here. Okay, all right. Are you ready? Number 2 is going now. So that's 5 questions and you're number 5. Wonderful. Let's see if you can get up to your number 2. You have to get more than 2. Are we ready? Okay, let's go. Your time starts. Just hold on. Your time starts now. Whose image is on the 100 naira note?
Obafemi Awolowo.
You are correct. How many days are there in a leap year?
356 days.
Nope, you're wrong. It's 366.
366.
How many zones are there in Lagos State?
Pass.
All right. What is Lagos called? The slogan for Lagos State?
Center of Excellence. Center of Excellence.
You are correct. Who was the president of the First Republic in Nigeria?
Pass.
All right. Who designed the Nigerian flag?
Apa Kewumi Taiwo.
Okay, you are correct. Let's give you that. You are correct. Who was the first Nobel laureate in Nigeria?
Wole Soyinka.
You are correct. What is the most common letter in the alphabet?
O.
You are wrong. It's the letter E. Put your hands together for him. Okay, my floor manager, how many did he get correctly? 4 questions. All right. Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together. Thank you, my audience. You're helping me even do the counting. Put your hands together for yourself. All right, so let's go. Number 1, let's go. Let's go. All right, are you ready? Your time starts now. Name the 2-time governor of Lagos State who is now a current minister.
Pass.
Who was the first woman to own a car in Nigeria?
Pass.
What does ECOWAS stand for? ECOWAS, what does it stand for?
Pass.
Okay, who was first awarded Archbishop in Africa?
Pass.
All right, who was the first Senate President of Nigeria?
Pass.
Pass. Who was the first civilian governor of Lagos State?
Pass.
The green color on Nigerian flag stands for what? Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. But then that's where. How many did you get correctly? Okay. All right. Number 10. Let's go very fast. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Let's do this. Your time starts now. The hottest region in the world is called. Who is the current chairman of ECOWAS? Who is the current Speaker of the House of Reps? Who is the captain of Chelsea Football Club? Ondo State is known as what? Zamfara State is known as what? Who was the first Olympic gold medalist in Nigeria? Who was the first female vice chancellor in Nigeria? The biggest market in West Africa is in which state? Who is the current Speaker of the Federal House of Reps? Who was the first Prime Minister of Nigeria? Who is the current #1 goalkeeper of Nigeria? Put your hands together for him now. What's what I would do? Okay, you're going to stand in that order, the order in which you. Yep, okay, so are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, best man, can you please? I need more of my cue cards here. All right, okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's make this happen. Okay, thank you very much. Please get that to me. All right. Thank you very much. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Let's do this. Your time starts now. Which is the biggest continent in the world?
Asia.
You are correct. Which continent is the smallest in the world?
Pass.
How many countries constitute the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS? How many countries are in ECOWAS?
7.
What? What?
7.
No, you're wrong. It's 16. When did the Naira become Nigeria's official currency?
2000.
Nope, it's 1973. Who is the current Senate President of Nigeria?
Pass. Pass.
Pass. Okay. Who's Nigeria's Minister of Education?
Pass.
What is the highest mountain in Africa?
Mountain Kilimanjaro.
You are correct, and that is where your time is up. The final person. Please put your hands together for him. Okay, are you ready? Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's do this. Your time starts now. Who's the first civilian governor of Lagos State?
Pass.
The green color on Nigerian flag stands for what?
Peace.
Nope, you're wrong. It's agriculture. The captain of Nigerian Super Eagles that won the Africa Cup of Nations in Tunisia in '94. What's his name?
Pass.
How many ethnic groups do we have in Nigeria? Okay.
Three.
You're wrong. It's 250. Who's current Chief Justice of Nigeria?
Pass.
Okay. On what day is Democracy Day celebrated? Democracy Day.
10 October. First October.
Nope, you're wrong. It's June 12. Who is the current Speaker of the House of Reps? Who is the current chairman of ECOWAS? Please put your hands together for him. All right, we'll just take a very short break now. When we get back, it's the final round, and we are going to crown our winner on the show. This is the Wheel of Luck, where all right, put your hands together for yourselves. You are a wonderful, very, very wonderful audience. Now, just before we go on, we have to give out to our winners number 7, number 3, number 6, and number 4, right? Number 7, it was 10,000 naira. Please put your hands together for her. Right there, live and direct. Thank you very much. And number 6, it was 7.5. Number 6, right? That was the amount, right? Good, wonderful. Number 3, 10,000 naira. Thank you very much. And number 4, 10,000 naira, Abi. All right, put your hands together for them. All right, now from this round, we are picking the final 3. We're picking the final 3, and the other ones will get the amount that they got on the Wheel of Luck. You understand what I mean, right? Okay, and the top 3, pardon me, the top 3, number 5, number 2, and number 7, right? Number 5, number 2, and number 7, right? Right? Number 5, number 2, and number 9. Put your hands together for them. Please come up here. Number 5, number 2, and number 9. Please, the rest of you, you can go back. We'll get your prizes to you, across to you. Put your hands together for these ones. Okay, the show is about to round up. One of them here is going home with 2 million naira. One of them is going home with 2 million naira. Put your hands together for Okay, all right, wonderful. But just before that, I want to give out that gen and that TV. Very fast, and that smartwatch. I want to give that TV to a football lover. Who wants the TV? Who wants the TV? I like the way you're raising your hand. Okay, you want fridge, you want TV too? Okay, okay, sir, please stand up. Put your hands together for him. Very fast, very fast. Get that mic to him. This is just going to be a very, very, very random question. Very, very, very random question. Very random question. What club do you support? What club do you support?
Chelsea.
Chelsea. All right. Okay. Now, let me just ask you this question straight up. How many Ballon d'Ors does Robert Lewandowski have?
None.
Wow. Put your hands together for him. He has won the TV. Yeah, the TV is yours. Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. Now, we're going to give that smartwatch now. I need someone to tell me the time. What's the exact time now? What's the exact time now? The exact time. I want to give this smartwatch to a... I want to give it to a lady. That lady there, the one at the far end, she gave up her seat for me. Put your hands together. Put your hands together for her. Put your hands together. Tell me. Movie song. Calm down now. We'll get to you. Calm down. Put your hands together for yourself. Who was the person? That yellow lady. Calm. Your blood is too hot. Calm down. All right. Tell me. There's a particular song that was sung by a very popular singer. It was also the soundtrack for Titanic. My Heart Will Go On. Who was that singer? Who was that singer? My Heart Will Go On. Soundtrack for Titanic. Who was that singer? You just have 5 seconds more. 5 seconds. So sorry about that. I will not ask you the same question. Okay, that lady in yellow there. Let me see you. Okay. All right. Okay. Put your hands together for her. Okay, you have 10 seconds. Name 4 things that you can see in a living room. 4 things. You have 10 seconds.
TV, chair, table, and TV stand.
Okay. She has one to watch. Give it to her. Come on. Thank you very much. And then finally, we're going to give that generating set. Can you buy fuel for the gen? You say they sell fuel. Now you still want gen join. No, just the sell fuel alone. Okay. Let's see. Let me see you there. You in white there. That guy. All right, stand up. All right. Put your hands together for him. Okay, money. They said I should give you money that you look like money can do something for you. What do you think? We'll get to the gel later, but let's just give you Let's give you a cash prize, right? That one. No, the one with the bag. Pardon me, so sorry. Put your hands together for him. The one with the bag. Tell me, what's your name?
My name is Afolawisho Abdulasis.
Just give me one name, please. Just one.
Afolawisho.
Okay. Are you a student? Or
No.
Are you done with school, or you're not yet in school, or what?
I'm just passed from SS.
You are a?
SS.
Okay. So tell me, movies, music, or football, or sports generally, not just football. Tell me, where do you want the question from?
What is it that I'm not interested on that one, but I'm interested in Islamic music. That's what I'm going for.
I didn't hear anything you said, though.
Islamic song, that's what I'm...
Okay, but I just like your spirit. Let's just give him a cash prize of 5,000 naira. Put your hands together for him. Okay, all right, let's get to the final round. 3 of you, just come this way. 3 of you, just come this way. So one of them is going to go home with 2 million naira. This is it. All right? Please, I want you to climb up. This guy is thinking, what's in your mind? What will you do if you win 2 million naira? Just tell me now, very fast. Invest. What will you invest in? You just say invest. What would you do if you win 2 million naira? Contestant number 2. What would you do if you win 2 million naira?
I will invest in property.
You invest in property. Which property if you buy with 2 million?
Yeah, I can still buy some land.
Okay, land. Depends on the area. You go to some places, that you will not buy more than 1 foot.
At least it's going to help.
Number 5, what would you do if you win 2 million naira? Okay. All right, I'll ask each of you one question. Just one question. This is where it all goes down. Just one question. If you give me the answer, you move to the next round. If you don't give me the answer, you fall back. If it's one person that gives me the answer after the first round of questions, that person has won. Do you understand? Very simple. Just one question. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me start with you. Number 5. Where was crude oil first discovered in Nigeria? You have 10 seconds. Where was crude oil first discovered in Nigeria? Okay, you have to step back, to step down. All right. Okay, now let me get to you now. How many members are there in the National Assembly? The Senate, to be precise.
We have 109 members.
Put your hands together for him. You understand? Now, this is it. If he doesn't answer the question, he has won. If he answers the question, we go for another round between two of them. Do you get the rule? Very simple. Do you get it?
Yes.
If he doesn't answer this question now, that's our winner there. Are we ready? This is the Wheel of Luck.
Everybody say winner.
Okay. Halitosis is the medical term for what? Please quiet. He has 10 seconds. If I hear the sound, he will be disqualified. Halitosis is the medical term for what? You have 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3. You don't have a guess? 2, 1. And we have our winner.
Thank you.
And he was wearing number 2.
Yes.
Please put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. We will just take a very short break. By the time we get back, it's our final presentation. We still have a few things to win. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us. This is the Wheel of Luck, where
Everybody say winner.
put your hands together for yourselves.